This 2026 Jayco Eagle SLE 28 RKS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 30 feet 9 inches in length and features sleeps 4 and 51 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, mid-living area, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Jayco Eagle SLE 28 RKS is 8,621 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.